Whoa, this is weird. Yeah, I'm not used to this at all. Yeah. Is this a mukbang? But because we have food. Is this a mukbang? Mukbang? How do you pronounce that? Ooh, you guys see that steam? Who sees that steam? If you see the steam, raise your hand. Basically, I'm just gonna talk to you guys. Is that okay? Can we talk? Can we converse? I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Maybe I should, oh yeah, I probably should moisturize my skin before I start doing this. And my skin is literally crying right now, like, ow. Welcome, guys. Okay, this video is really weird because it started off very weird already and I didn't know what to say, so I just started saying a bunch of weird stuff and now my blouse is like opening up. Woohoo. I know my hands are ashy. Okay, disregard that. Where is my chapstick? If my shirt opens up one more, if this robe opens up one more again. So we're gonna start off by moisturizing our lips with some SPF 15. You know how it goes, guys and girls. I just put on a bunch of this stuff basically until my lips stop crying and I feel like it's at a good point, I'll stop, you know? Oh, did I even say hi? Like, hello, hi, like, welcome to this video if I did not properly address myself. Sorry for walking in the room and not saying hello, but I'm here. So for starters, I'm just gonna use this vitamin C serum on my face. I think I talked about this already in a video, but not like in depth, like what I do, if that makes sense. So if you guys actually want a tutorial on what I do for my skin, then comment down below. I will tell you guys one thing. As I make a whole video right now, okay? Ooh, my skin's starting to burn a little bit. But I will tell you guys one thing that I do. And it is when I'm putting on product, I always will rub it going upward. Just because we do naturally have hairs on our face and we don't see them all. So if we rub it upward, it gets underneath those hairs. My skin is just burning right now. Guys, I did something bad, okay? I put a hair oil on my face. I don't know why I did that. While I was shaving it. So that's why my skin is like, I feel like I'm breaking out already, you know? But it'll be good, like it'll be Gucci. I got it under control already. You know me, Dr. Iffacy. Also in this video, I'm gonna be testing out products that are all new to me. I mean, they're not like new to like everyone else in the world because I'm late with everything, but they're new to me. So I'm gonna be testing them out in this video. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna be testing them out and I'm gonna tell you guys if I like them off of first impression. Is this the first impressions video? Next, I'm gonna be using a hyaluronic acid. Ooh, look at me, I'm a beauty guru. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this. Ooh, look at that. That was crisp. Like, I love that. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of that on my face. Ah! See, the thing I hate about this stuff is that it drips too quick. Like, it drips too hard. Don't stand too close. Run and drown. Is that what it even says? Like, I don't even know. Ah, this one's like burning my skin right now. Is that healthy? Ooh. Oh, I should have put my toner on first. I probably should have done that. By the way, my mirror is like down here, so that's why I keep looking down. Now, starting off with a new product I bought the other day. Okay, guys, disclaimer, I don't really believe in eye creams, but since I'm on this like skincare journey, I decided just why not try everything out. I'm gonna be using this look at this. We're gonna be using this Holy Hydration eye cream, like, to hydrate our eyes, because they're a little thirsty too. They need some love. If I can even get this box open, like, damn, son. I'm just gonna break the box, like, I'm tired. Ooh, I like how she looks. This is cute. Like, this is so compact and cute. But I'm here for it. Okay. Ooh, she wet. Look at her. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that under my eyes because I think that's what you're supposed to do with an eye cream, like, right? Dot, not a lot. That's the tip I learned in elementary school with glue. Ah, too much. It's getting all messy. So that's a lot on my hand, but yeah, we're just gonna rub her in. We're just gonna tap her in, not rub her. We're gonna tap in, guys, okay? If I know one thing, I know it's not good to rub your skin because it makes it drag. And we don't want that. Like, do we want that? No. So far so good, I guess. I mean, like, low-key it feels almost as if I put like a moisturizer under my eyes. So I guess it's working. We'll see in a few days, I guess. Guys, taste test. We're gonna try this little tortellini pesto pasta that I just put in the oven, and I don't know if it's gonna be good. It's a little hard though now, so hopefully she's still good. I'm scared. I'm scared. She's okay. Not like bomb. She needs more seasoning, but not bad either, if you know what I mean. So now that our little faces are moisturized now, what the freak did I just say? Okay, so now that our face is all moisturized and whatnot, I decided that I'm just gonna like low-key take this back to like old YouTube. Do we remember like TMI tags and all those stuff? Those used to be so interesting to me and just so like fun to watch. YouTube just doesn't have that stuff anymore. Like they do, but it's different. I pulled up this random YouTube tag question list, and I'm just gonna pick some of my favorite questions and I'll answer them right here. Are you hot? Am I hot? I mean, let's let my looks speak for themselves. Am I right? Are you rich? I'd like to believe that I am. I think that richness doesn't come from money and wealth. Richness can come from your rich quality lifestyle. Richness can be my rich chocolate skin. I don't know, like rich can be anything. What I'm gonna be using, guys, I'm debating if I should do like, okay, so for starters, I'm gonna be testing out some like big baddie lashes in this video. So I want to know if I should do like a full coverage look or if I should try out this skin tint from Glossier. Guys, help me, what should I do? I mean, I am trying new products, but I don't know if this skin tint is gonna be enough. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Palace. There's a place. Why do I always want to call it Palace? Like for 4 years, I've been wanting to call this thing Palace, but it's Place. I just can't read. 2 foundations, I'm mixing them into shades Angola and Cano. Usually, I don't like to put on too much foundation just because like, I'm a new girl. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Ah, too much. Monster Mash, we know that much. Blending out with a Real Techniques brush because that's what I have. So I kind of just like take the foundations and mix them while they're on my face. I don't know if that's good, but that's what I do. It works for me. Yeah, my skin is like on fire right now. Probably not the best day to put foundation on. Ow, ow, ow. We're not done, ladies and gents. We are not done. We are just getting started. I don't know where that's from, but I feel like I needed to say it like that because I feel like it's from somewhere. Is it? Did you guys get under that chin? Or not blended under that chin? What are you doing? To make sure that I blended right, I usually would give myself a double chin like this. Just to make sure I can't see any lines. Like that's what I've just been doing for years and years and years. And it's been paying off. Shoot, I gotta go soon, low key. So something else new that we are testing out is this L'Oreal Infallible Full Layer Concealer. Ooh, she's thick. I love when applicators are thick. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She glides on so smoothly. Like, I like that. So one thing that I've learned about blending concealer is that if I blend going one way, it looks a lot better versus like going like back and forth. So now I usually just blend going upward like that. And I do not drag it. Gonna go for kid. Why is that song stuck in my head? Is today the weekend? Oh no, it's Tuesday. I'm like, I don't know what day it is ever anymore. Next I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild. What the? Girl, what? I forget that I have an Alexa sometimes, but apparently she don't forget she has me. Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder, I guess. And I'm just gonna kind of like set under my eyes. I don't know, I don't even know if I set. Is this called setting? Like, is this, I mean, I know what that is and what that's called, but I don't know what I do with setting. I'm gonna kind of keep that in though. Like, I'm not gonna dust that really off. Because I feel like if I'm trying to get rid of these bags right now, when you really set under your eyes and you kind of keep it underneath, I think it kind of looks better. I'm gonna put a little bit of this like on my cheek right here. Next question is, your dream vacation. I honestly, I don't know guys. Like, I don't know where I would want to go. I've been to Italy, I've been to Croatia, I've been to Finland, and where to next? Because a girl gotta go somewhere. I normally don't use a pencil, but I don't feel like looking for my other eyebrow product, so I'm gonna use this pencil today. But so I'd probably say that the next place I think I would like to go to is maybe France, Paris. Lately, low-key, I've been kind of wanting to go to Japan. I get all serious when I start doing my eyebrows. I'm just like, okay, can't mess up. Hawaii for sure. I've never been there yet. Hawaii would be nice. Hawaii, that would be nice. Very nice. What TV shows do you like? That's a good question. For TV shows, I feel like I'm kind of picky, but not really. I don't know. Let's see. I like right now, like as of right now in this moment, I'm watching Freaks and Geeks. I watched 3 episodes of that when I was in high school and I never finished it, so I'm finishing it now. It only has 1 season though, so that's pretty sad, but I never realized how funny that show was, guys. And that show is so my humor. This whole time I never knew, but I wish they had more seasons. They only have 1 season on there. A show that I just finished, Scandal. Guys, Scandal is so good. For any of you guys that are interested in like, what's the word? Backstabbing. I don't even know, backstabbing, like there's a lot of conspiracies. I just looked at the time and it's already like 3:15 and I gotta be out of here by 3:30, so we're gonna speed up this little. Another show that I think I'm probably gonna start right now is Schitt's Creek because I've heard a lot of good things about that show. Probably start that in a few days and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. So I'll basically just give myself a unibrow like that when I do my concealer because I don't know, I just want to make sure it's good. I'm just gonna take this little brush, not brush, blender, and just blend my eyebrows out with this because that's what I do. I don't know why I feel the urge to say because I know I never have an answer. Next, we're gonna try out this Makeup Revolution palette. I bought this like the other day and lately I've been trying to try out more palettes just because all of my palettes are really old. Why not, you know? Also, it's really affordable. I'm gonna use probably this color right here, honestly, because I'm looking for something kind of natural. I just want like naturality. I like making up words that don't make sense. She's cute though. Look at that. She's cute. Sorry if my eyes look a little crazy on camera. When I blend, I don't care how I look. I just want to blend. So guys and girls, make sure everything is blended because we want to look good. So I'm gonna take these lashes that I ordered the other day from Amazon. I talked about them in another video, but I didn't post the other video yet. These are the lashes, and I bought all these. Let me tell you the price of these. I bought all of these. Can you even believe I got all of these for like $9? These, they're so big though, so I hope I like them. I'm gonna use hair glue to glue my lashes because I cannot use regular eyelash glue to save my life. I don't know why. It doesn't work for me. Some people got it and I don't, apparently. It doesn't do anything like bad. I mean, I think it's fine. I've been doing it for years. Like my eyes are still intact, as you can see. I only put a little bit because I don't like to like do too much. As I put on these 25mm lashes, like what does that even make? I don't make sense when I talk a lot. I'm sure you guys will figure that out very soon on this channel. I love how everything is just so like an art, like just so like precious. I feel like everyone at work is gonna be like, oh my gosh, Ifzy, is that you? It's always weird like showing up to a place where you look different than normal. For me guys, I hated showing up to school in elementary and like high school, mostly elementary and middle school actually, when I got new hair, like when I got my hair done. Cause I don't know if it was just me, but sometimes I would have those teachers just staring at my hair. Like it's like, are you gonna compliment me or not? Ooh, she big. She big, she big. Girls, look at the, sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I know, I'm not used to looking at that freaking you right there. I'm not used to looking at you guys. These lashes are really big, and when I say really big, I mean really big. I feel like this will snatch the look together. I'm just gonna take a blush. I don't even want to show you guys a blush because I'm kind of embarrassed by it, I'm not gonna lie. But it's a pink blush from e.l.f. I've had it for like 6 years. That sound, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put on the highlighter. This is just a Maybelline New York Chrome Master highlighter. I don't know, it's just a highlighter. I'm just gonna put it right here, just right here. I'm just gonna put on the lip liner. I might put a gloss on top, we'll see. And I'm gonna put a gloss on top of this, but it's not a special gloss, it's just a Neutrogena gloss that I've had for years. This gloss is nice though, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's supposed to be like a lip soothing one, so it actually like helps when your lips are chapped too. The last thing we're gonna try out that's new that I just bought is this Makeup Revolution Glass Glow Fix Skin Setting Spray. Lately I've been wanting my skin to look like glass. We're gonna try this out and I hope I like it. Ooh, she smells good too. Oh, one of my lashes are already coming off, I can tell, so I'm probably gonna go in and do that again. This looks really good though. I'm actually really excited for this look. I'm living for her. She's kind of cute. I'm like, pose, like who? So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm not gonna like do my hair or anything like that just because I'm out of time. I think I'm just gonna have to end it right here because your girl gotta go. Bye.